Welcome to our step-by-step guide on deep cleaning your kitchen. It's a place where you prepare your meals, and it's only right that it remains sparkly clean. Deep cleaning your kitchen might seem like a daunting task, but with our guide, it's going to be a breeze. Before you start, gather all the cleaning supplies you'll need. This includes, but is not limited to, cleaning solutions, scrubbing brushes, a mop, and cleaning cloths. Having everything at hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. Start by emptying your kitchen cabinets and drawers. This gives you the chance to sort through your items, getting rid of anything that you don't need or use. Once you've done that, wipe down the insides of your cabinets and drawers with a damp cloth and cleaning solution. Next, move on to your appliances. These are often overlooked during regular cleaning. Unplug them first for safety, then wipe down the exteriors. For the interiors like the inside of your microwave or oven, use a scrubbing brush and a suitable cleaning solution. Don't forget about your countertops and sink. Clear everything off your countertops and give them a good scrub. For the sink, use a scrubbing brush and a cleaning solution to get rid of any residue or built-up grime. Finally, sweep and mop your kitchen floor. Be sure to get into all the corners and under your appliances. This is the final step in ensuring your kitchen is sparkling clean. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to deep cleaning your kitchen. It might take a bit of time and effort, but the result is worth it. A clean kitchen is not only pleasing to the eye, but it's also a healthier environment for you and your family. So roll up your sleeves and get started. And remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more home cleaning and maintenance tips.